Hi, today I will show you how to create another new image by mixing two images. This one is our original image and this is the reference image. In the beginning, I open the original image in Photoshop. Next, go to the filters menu and click on neural filters. Next, click on landscape mixer. Click on the switch icon. Click on the custom button. And then click on the browse icon below. Since my reference image is in JPG format, I am selecting JPG from the drop-down menu. Then select the reference image and click on the Use this image button. Wait a minute. Done. Now we will check the previous image and the final image. Here is the before and this one is after. Before, after.